Hello and welcome! Today we're going to learn some common food names in English and how to say them in German. I'll say the English word first, then I'll tell you what it's called in German. Let's learn together and don't forget to repeat after me. Cook warm breakfast foods. Let's start with some foods you might eat for breakfast. Bread. In English, we say bread. In German, bread is called Brot. Can you say that with me? Brot. Great job. Butter. Next, we have butter. In German, it's also called butter. Yes, it sounds almost the same. Let's say it together. Butter. Nice and easy. Egg. How about egg? In German, egg is AI, just one letter, AI. Repeat after me, AI. Well done. Milk. And milk. In German, milk is called Milch. Let's say it together. Milk. Excellent. You're doing great so far. Lunch and dinner foods. Now, let's move on to foods you might eat for lunch or dinner. Cheese. In English, we say cheese. In German, it's called Käse. Can you say that? Käse? Very good. Apple. Next is apple. In German, it's Apfel. Try it with me. Apfel. Nice work. Chicken. How about chicken? In German, chicken is called Hähnchen. That one's a little tricky. Let's say it slowly. Hähnchen. Now you try. Hähnchen. Great effort. Potato. And potato? In German, it's Kartoffel. Let's say it together. Kartoffel. Awesome. Sweet treats and snacks. Now it's time for something sweet. Cake. The English word is cake. In German, it's Kuchen. Repeat after me. Kuchen. Yum. Chocolate. Next is chocolate. In German, it's Schokolade. A bit longer. Let's say it slowly. Schokolade. Now you try. Schokolade. Delicious. Ice cream. How about ice cream? In German, it's simply Eis. Just one word. Eis. Try it with me. Eis. Cool, right? Cookie. And cookie? In German, we say Keks. Let's say it together. Keks. Great job.